Hey guys, GunFather here. We're back out on the range for an episode of Trick Shot Tuesday. Today, for Trick Shot Tuesday, I'm going to be attempting the ultimate squeeze shot. Now, I've done this shot before with my Marlin Model 81 rifle, chambered in 22 long rifle, but never before have I attempted it with a 22 pistol. So I've got my Ruger Mark II target here, chambered in 22, and I'm going to be shooting some 22 shorts out of it. Now you actually have to be able to shoot 22 shorts out of this, I actually have to load it one shot at a time. But the reason I'm using 22 shorts is every time I attempted this with a rifle, I had such a hard time finding my shell casing, if I was even able to find it, that it was almost impossible to shoot it and find the shell casing. So to take precautions to prevent that, I'm using some low velocity 22 short ammo and some cardboard to back it up, so that if I do hit this shot, hopefully the cardboard will stop it and I won't have to go chasing it everywhere. So, hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's do this. Alright, here we go. Did we get it? Let's find out. Guys, there it is. See that? I don't know if you can see it. 22 LR, or 22 short actually, into a 223 casing with a 22 pistol. Alright, well there you have it. The ultimate squeeze shot. 22 into the mouth of a 223 casing with a 22 pistol. There's only been a couple other people that I know of that have ever actually pulled this shot off. One of them is a guy named Leslie Dillard, the Leslie Dillard. You can check out his YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description below, and obviously, of course, the famous 22 Plankster. So now there's three of us that have shot a 22 casing, or 22 into a 223 casing. So, hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you guys like this stuff, please be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and share. Give me that thumbs up button if you like this. Hit that subscribe if you want to see plenty more. I do trick shots every single week. So I'll see y'all next week. GunFather out. Alright, well here I've got our casing. This is the casing that has our 22 bullets stuck inside of it, and just for good measure, I'm going to cut it out on camera, cut the casing, or cut the bullet out so that you guys can see that the 22 bullet was shot into this 223 casing. Here's our 223 casing. There it is. There's our 22 bullet, and that is the entire bullet, it looks like. A little piece of lint from where I had the casing in my pocket. But there is the back of the bullet, as you can see, and the rest of it as it deformed inside. 22 into a 223 casing.